or meal prepping. The design integrates features for both pressure cooking and steaming, engineered specifically for optimal microwave use. This compact form factor ensures it fits easily into most microwave ovens. Its components are crafted for straightforward assembly and cleaning, contributing to an overall user-friendly experience. This microwave cooker excels by significantly reducing traditional cooking times, making healthy eating more accessible. It effectively uses steam to cook food thoroughly, preserving essential nutrients and natural flavors without the need for added oils or unhealthy fats. This method ensures vegetables retain